Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
Hi guys, so today is Tuesday. I just got to the place I want to make my nails finally. I'm trying out a new place today. It's a place called Uche Nails. I saw them on Instagram, so I wanted to try something different today. Anyway, that's why I'm here right now. It took me literally more than almost an hour to get here because in my area there is construction going on around there, so it's causing a lot of traffic. So it took me literally 1 hour, okay, to get to Wusetu. All right, let me go get my nails done and rest because I've been wanting to do these nails for like God knows how long, and today is the only day I have to do it. So guys, I'm back home. It has been a crazy day. Like, it has been a crazy day, guys, and the heat in Abuja is not even helping. The sun is not even helping. But I love my nails, guys. I really love them. They are so cute. Love them. Hopefully they last until Christmas because after spending kind of big money on nails, I'm not going to remove it for like 1 month, so it better stay still. You better stay put until after Christmas. Anyway, guys, I just got a package. I haven't even had anything to eat today. This is 4:30 p.m. and I haven't had anything to eat today. I literally just drank water when I came in like 10 minutes ago, and thankfully I just got a package of food. Okay, so let's get into it. Let me show you guys. So this package came in from a brand called Simply Jollof. Of course, it has to be jollof rice, okay? And I can't wait to dig in and see what is inside here because I am starving. Like, I'm so freaking hungry right now. I don't even know how I even have energy to even talk and have this conversation, but I'm just hungry and I want to eat. So let's open this up and see what it's looking like. So this is the brand. It's called Simply Jollof. Brand name is also on the pack right here. So we have jollof rice and chicken, and guys, let me just tell you, the moment I opened this pack, the smokiness of the jollof just hits my nose. This is clearly like firewood patty jollof. You know that kind of jollof? Yeah, that's sweet one. All right, let me dig in and give you guys my humble review, okay? All right, let's dig into this meal. This came at the right time because I am starving. First impressions, okay? This is Nigerian patty jollof right here. This is really good. Only thing missing in this pack of jollof right now is plantain dodo. That is what is missing because the rice bangs, man. I really like this, and pepper is just moderate, like it's not a lot. I get turned off by food that has too much pepper. Like if food has too much pepper, I get turned off. But this is nice. This is just moderate. Nobody be like woman. If you are in Abuja, go check out Simply Jollof. So they are about to kick off the brand Simply Jollof. If I find their page on Instagram or something, I will leave it on the screen so that you can check them out once they kick off, because this is delicious. If not because I'm really hungry, I would have fried some plantain now and put in this food, but I can't wait. I'm hungry. Let's taste the chicken. A proper nice home cooked firewood jollof and chicken. Let me finish the rest of my food away from the camera. Oh man, I missed you. Come now, come and stay with me. Where are you running to? Look at that cute face. She's just waking up. You love bananas. So nice. So yummy. So yummy. So tasty. Look how fine you are today, ma'am. You're so beautiful. You're so pretty. Who's giving you banana?
Daddy.
Daddy. She's actually hungry. For her to be grudging this banana like this. For her to be grudging this banana like this. She's really hungry. Daddy's baby is choking you, ba. Daddy, I better carry your baby and be going. Daddy's baby is choking somebody.
I like it.
She's admiring herself. Are you sweating?
You're sweating.
Hello?
No.
You're not sweating.
Oh, where is this sun coming from?
Oh no.
Why is that window even open? Mama! Hey! What was that? What was that? You did what? Tell them what you did. You said she polluted. That is what she says each time she farts. She'll tell you, look at how she's laughing mischievously, and then she'll say, I polluted. What did you do? I polluted. And your beard is choking this girl.
I say kiss daddy. Kiss daddy, not kiss mommy. I kiss. What?
Yeah, she only wants to kiss her mother. You want to kiss mommy? Yeah, kiss mommy. I love you, my princess. So I don't think I showed you guys this properly. This is quite new. I think I put this, we put this up after my house tour had already gone live. But it is a big, massive portrait of my maternity shoot when Mia was still baking in my belly. So we've actually talked about putting one of my maternity pictures in the living room, and then one beautiful evening hubby surprised me with this, put it in this beautiful gorgeous frame, and it is just looking so cute in this part of my living room. So we have the window here, we have my green bamboo plants, Mia's 7-day-old photo, and then this is here. There was a white and black frame that was here before. I yanked it off from here. Immediately I saw this frame, all right? And I still have this really cute one here. That was a gift around this time last year. So yeah, I just love this. It's so pretty. I wouldn't have had this space look in any other way than what it looks like right now. So pretty, so cute. And this my maternity shoot is still banging. It's still banging. It was such a vibe, guys. See, if you have been following me for the longest time, you will know that this shoot was stressful for me. We had to go all the way to, it wasn't of that place we went to shoot this thing, Usuma Dam, right? Usuma Dam in Buhari. If you live in Abuja, you know where Buhari is. We went all the way to Buhari, a freaking 9-month-old pregnant woman, all the way to Buhari to shoot these photos. But it came out so dope. Like, still so obsessed with my maternity shoots, even though this was like what, 2019? Yeah, early 2019. Yeah. Oh,
much later.
Hey guys, I'm just editing this vlog right now, and I just want to end the vlog really quickly. Hope you guys enjoyed watching Vlogmas day 3. It was a very chill vlog, okay? Very super chill. super chill vlog. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching. For the rest of my night, I'm just going to chill, relax, Netflix, drink some wine, have a good night. Basically, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.
Don't listen when we talk.